you see this line. This line, it's showing us actually many things. Okay, now we can edit anything from here actually in a easy way. Okay, so we can edit from here, for example, table project hours, column this one, cardinality 1 to 1, for example, 1 to 1 this way, and then we can edit anything. Project name we can change to priority name, and then apply change, for example. Unique values, yeah, it cannot change because it doesn't have a unique values, so you can actually make any kind of by just clicking the line, by any change that you would like to have, and make this relationship active, for example, apply change, yes. But it's like if it's not if there is no like relationship between them, if there is no anything, like it's not showing. So many to many, many to one, for example. This is one of the things that we have to use, okay, in the managing relationships. Also, there is like you can also delete if you want by just right clicking. You can delete like this way. You can go to properties by this way, okay, by just right clicking, and then you can see the properties in this way, yeah. And so here, like basically in this model view, we have a models and the relationship between each one of them, okay. Also here you see this models table model, yeah. So here we have the table, and then we have model, project hours, and single, both apply change, apply change, yeah. So if you want to change anything, you can change from here by clicking the from the line. Also here there is a one more thing here. Also you can measure, you can write the measure, okay. For example, new column, new measure. So you can also new measure and you can write any table, any kind of formula you want to have. Or here you can also create a new column. New column also you can create, and it will be visible here. And you can name your column anything that you would like to have, and you can just create in this way, okay. Also you can also see that it's working, and we have like different relationships. You can create your own kind of relationships based on actually different ideas, okay. You can create based on different ideas. So now we just have only two tables, okay. That's why we can only create two table relationships. But in fact, if we had more than two tables, we could actually detect the relationship between these more than two tables, okay. That's why ours is more like, you know, it's more like we don't have many tables. I think here they have many kind of tables here, right? They have this, you see, they have many tables. So that's why they have a lot of kind of visual, they have a lot of kind of relationships, okay. So actually that is the main point for today. That's what we discussed about today. So this task is really important. Hopefully you understood. So please try your best to try to do this task. Apparently also you can make any visualizations to the tables. Yeah, you can create relationships like this way also. Okay, so here we have a relationship between these two tables, project hours and project project hours, project company project. And here we can edit our kind of tables, and we have relationships. We have the tables, columns, cardinalities. What is cardinality? It shows us the relationship between the table, okay. One to many, for example, apply change. We don't have doesn't have a unique value yet. That's why we cannot. So one to one, okay, and then we can see the relationship between them. Okay, there is also one more thing I would like to share with you. You can also see that your actually data is in a good mood sorry, in a good in the right way. You can see, you can look at it like in this way. You can just look at in this way. You can just employee role. This is a different one. Here you see you can write priority hours, priority and hours, and you can say that your data is in a correct project name, project name, and the hours project and priority, yeah, priority and priority and hours, for example, hours and priority. Okay. You can check your data in this way. So yeah, also priority and hours. And hours, yeah. Okay. You can, because of like we changed the relationships here, that's why we can check it also from here. Your table view, you can also check your table from here. You can see projects, hours, okay, and then model view, you can see the relationship between them. So for example, let's we see this one, we don't need delete, for example. Yes, you can delete in this way, and then okay, you can delete actually in this way. And you can see different kind of hours and project names from here, for example, priority. Yeah. Okay, and model view, you can look at it in this way. Okay, thank you so much. That's it for today, and see you next lesson.